How to install Reddit on mobile. If you want to use the Reddit application and wondering on how to download on your mobile phone, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the App Store, just like this. Then here you can find search button at the bottom. Just right here, tap on it. Then tap on to search bar, just like this, and type Reddit and search for it. Then here you can find Reddit just right here, tap on it, and to download it simply tap on to this cloud button just like this. And if you are downloading the Reddit for the first time, you will see something like this, which is the get button. So wait for a few minutes and the app will be downloaded. And now you can see the app has been downloaded. Now tap on to open just right here to open the app. You can also find the app on your home screen just like this. And that's it. This is how you can install Reddit on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.